U.S. School Chemistry Fundamentals Quiz 7. What is the chemical symbol for aluminum? A, L, B, AU, C, AG, or D, AM? The answer is A, L. Question 2. Which compound is formed by the reaction between an acid and a base? A, salt, B, oxide, C, hydroxide, or D, carbonate? The answer is A, salt. If you got the first two right, hit like and subscribe for more quizzes. Question 3. What happens in an endothermic reaction? A, sound is produced, B, heat is released, C, light is produced, or D, heat is absorbed? The answer is D, heat is absorbed. Question 4. Compounds composed of ions are called A, molecular compounds, B, ionic compounds, C, covalent compounds, or D, metallic compounds? The answer is B, ionic compounds. If you got this 4 right too, you're a chemistry genius. Don't forget to subscribe for more challenges. Question 5. Which scale is used to measure acidity and basicity? A, pH scale, B, thermometer, C, barometer, or D, hydrometer? The answer is A, pH scale. Thanks for playing. How many did you get right? Subscribe and comment below.